Hey everyone, today we're going to tackle a really common and, honestly, kind of tricky problem in the world of AI. It's something that can make a model look like a genius one minute and a total failure the next. We're talking about model overfitting. So, to get our heads around this, I want you to think back to school. You probably knew someone, maybe it was you, who could ace every single practice test. Why? Because they just memorized the answers. But then, the final exam comes along, the questions are just a little bit different, and suddenly, they completely bomb. Well, that right there, that's the perfect way to think about overfitting.
And here's what that looks like for an AI model. This is its report card. You can see, on the practice data, the stuff it trained on, it gets a perfect A+. It looks absolutely brilliant. But then you give it the final exam, some real-world data it's never seen before, and it just completely fails. It's this huge gap in performance that tells us something is very, very wrong.
Okay, so this whole good student, bad test taker issue actually has a name in the AI world. It's a classic problem called overfitting. And if you want to build models that actually work out in the wild, you've got to understand what this is. So what is it exactly? Well, here's the textbook definition. Overfitting is when a model learns its training data too well. Now, that little phrase, too well, is everything. It means the model isn't just picking up on the important, general patterns. No, it's going further. It's also memorizing all the random, meaningless stuff, the noise, the little quirks that are only in that specific data set. It's basically mistaking the static on the radio for the actual song.
So how can you spot it? Well, the symptoms are pretty blatant. You look at the model's performance on the training data, and it's fantastic. A+, checkmark, great job. But then you test it on some new, unseen data, and the performance just falls off a cliff. That massive difference between how it handles the familiar versus the new, that's the giant red flag screaming, overfitting.
So this brings up a really important question, right? Why does this even happen? I mean, why would a sophisticated AI model decide to just memorize things instead of actually learning? Let's dig into the main causes.
Yeah, let's put it back in our school analogy. What makes that student cram for the test instead of taking the time to really understand the subject? What's going on under the hood that makes it choose this, pretty flawed strategy?
Well, it almost always comes down to one of three main culprits. First, the model itself is just too complex. It has so much power and flexibility that it can basically draw a perfect wiggly line to hit every single data point, capturing all the noise along with the signal. Second, you might have too little data. If you don't give the model enough examples to learn from, what choice does it have but to just memorize the few it's seen? And finally, you can simply have too much training. You let it study for too long. After a certain point, it stops learning the general lesson and starts obsessing over the tiny details of the training set.
Okay, so we've covered the what and the why. But where does overfitting actually pop up in the real world? Let's look at some common types of models that are really, really prone to this kind of behavior.
Here are a few of the usual suspects. First, a really deep decision tree. It can get so complicated that it ends up creating a unique little rule for every single example it was trained on. Then you've got the classic, a huge neural network with tons of layers that you've trained on a tiny data set. It has all this capacity to learn, but with so few examples, it just ends up memorizing them. And finally, something like a high-degree polynomial regression. It can create this ridiculously complicated curve that hits every training point perfectly, but completely misses the actual underlying trend, making it totally useless for new predictions.
All right, let's bring this all home. Let's really focus on the single most important idea to take away from all this. It's all about the difference between learning and just plain memorizing. Seriously, if you remember just one thing from this whole explainer, let it be this. Overfitting is what happens when a model memorizes instead of learning. It's not a sign that the model is super smart, it's a sign that it just memorized the answers to the test. And that is so critical because at the end of the day, the goal of machine learning is never just to do well on data we've already seen. The goal is generalization. It's the ability to take what it's learned and apply it correctly to brand new situations. That is what makes a model truly intelligent and useful, not just a good memory.